Outstanding favorite, Seni Sebeorum, and the rope early lead is taken by Mystic Melody from the outside, followed by Seni Sebeorum by the rail in second. When it trains in fourth, running in third, and on the outside is Angelus. And nearing the pattern, the lead is taken over now by the outstanding favorite, entry number 1, Seni Sebeorum. It's Seni Sebeorum leading the field by 3.5 lengths, followed by Mystic Melody in second. When it trains it fourth, running in third, and bringing up the rear is Angelus. The pattern, it's still entry number 1, the favorite Seni Sebeorum by 2.5 lengths, followed by Mystic Melody in second, and closing in once again on the outside. And at the last bend for home, it's still Seni Sebeorum by the rail, and Mystic Melody moving up on the outside when it trains its post, and Angelus. And into the home stretch, Seni Sebeorum by the rail, and Mystic Melody moving up on the outside. It's Seni Sebeorum by the rail, on the outside, Mystic Melody. And nearing the payoff line is still entry number 1, the favorite Seni Sebeorum, followed by Mystic Melody. And finally, the outstanding favorite number 1, Seni Sebeorum, winning this race. Coming in second, number 4, Mystic Melody. Angelus coming in third at...
Okay, 1-4-3 itong ating